Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something favorable or likely to bring good fortune. Auspicious. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is auspicious. Let's break it down. First, we have awe, which sounds like the awe in law. Next is SPI, which rhymes with sky and is stressed. Then comes shoes, which sounds like shoes in cautious. Now let's put it all together. Auspicious. Try repeating after me, auspicious. Now a little faster, auspicious. And at full speed, auspicious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Auspicious refers to something that is considered likely to bring success or good fortune, often used to describe a positive omen or sign. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce auspicious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.